Xander, what are you doing over there?
Pulling plugs.
Pulling the plugs out to pull the seats out. Nice. Do that. Finish getting the console out. I'm going to work on the shift handle so we can pull the console straight up when it's time. And we'll get this 5 different color carpet out of here. And then she's pretty much ready to go to the paint shop. Finally. It's a lot of work, dude.
Yeah.
But we're on it. Okay, console's coming out. There's like 5 shades of color on this carpet. It's so faded. It's crazy too, because this car was stored inside. Alright, so console's coming out. Carpet's coming out. I got half the seat belts out already. All these pieces are going to go ready for the paint shop. We just had them stored in here because, you know, space is a premium lately. Right?
Yeah.
And then we got to put all this stuff in a box. It's everything out of the console. Alright. Moving forward. This dry rest of the morning. Here we are after lunch. Golly, that looks good. So nice. Alright, back to the action over here. Xander got the seats up before he took off, because he's going on vacation. So yeah, I'm home alone here tomorrow. And then Friday, I think I'll actually go help Danielle set up her classroom, because Wick won't be back yet. And I'll have no one here but me, so I'll just take the day and get her situated. So, anyway, getting the carpet up and out, getting the seat belts out real fast. And I'm just going to clear everything out and put the cover on it, because this baby goes to paint on Monday. Monday, we go to paint. Alright, so next time you see it, carpet's going to be all the way out the rest of the way. And I'll have everything put away inside. And, yeah. Alright, so let's discuss real quick this carpet. This is the rear half of the carpet. And you can see how faded and mildewed and stained and ugh, it is. I mean, the correct color is obviously where the console was sitting, or the seat rails. But yeah, look at that. Jiminy. So, definitely recommend we get a set carpet kit. This is just atrocious. There's all the carpet. It's kind of sad how it's all been mildewed and kind of gross. Just look at that foot pad for the driver. It's pristine. But you can definitely see the differences. So definitely needs a carpet kit. But that's pretty easy. Got the seat belts out. I'm gonna finish getting the rest of these the 8 tracks and whatever little onesie twosie things are sitting in the car out. And I will be rolling her in for the evening. And then Monday, for the evening, I meant for the weekend at this point. Then Monday, it's gonna go across the street for paint. Huzzah!